16 guaranteed ways to make money online in Nigeria. You can become a millionaire in Nigeria from the comfort of your home. Discover 16 ways to make money online. Number one, Jumia Force. In addition to their affiliate program, Jumia, one of the most popular retailers in Nigeria, provide a program called J Force that allows individuals to make money online. This is possible by making purchases from your account for the benefit of others in exchange for fantastic commissions so as to earn money directly into your bank account in Nigeria. Two, remote English language teaching (ETL), mastering the English language and providing individualized teaching to others to learn English in foreign nation is the 15 best ways to make money online in Nigeria despite its seeming improbability. According to Internet World Stats, English is the most widely spoken English language in the world, making remote ETL one of the finest methods to make money online in Nigeria as a student. It should also come as no surprise that this profession enables you to travel the globe and take more in-depth assignments once you are ready to begin freelancing. Number three, Instagram influencer marketing. Despite the fact that Instagram does not pay account holders, even if you have millions of followers, with a sizable following, several opportunities to make money for Nigeria. How to make money in Nigeria from Instagram. Select an area of expertise. Recommend choosing the one you know you're passionate about. Develop a professional Instagram profiles. Start publishing valuable content to get fans. Continue sharing helpful content. Start making money using third-party techniques such as advertising for firms, affiliate marketing, and directing readers to a site with AdSense advertisements. Number 14, podcast hosting. Producing a podcast is one of the best ways to make money online in Nigeria, and it's an exciting initiative to build a personal community of listeners who engage with your material often. Due to the built-in audience rating system of the Apple Podcast Store, you may be able to play your podcast to an significant number of listeners. In this case, you will ascend the top of the ranking and get significant exposure. Number five, domain trading. Comparable to real estate investing, domain trading is one of the most lucrative ways to make money online. It involves in identifying rights opportunity in domain and then holding it for a period of time to generate substantial profits. Domains may be required for as little as 5,000, which is just distinguished characteristic of the avenue. Interested parties may get domains after thorough research and analysis, whether for a term for which to acquire. After discovering this domain may be purchased using domain reservation coupons such as GoDaddy coupon or Namecheap coupon. These discounts will allow individuals to acquire domain for less than 2,500 for .com. Domains are less than 500 for several other unique extensions. Number 6. I've been at number 5 with you. Mobile application development. With the arrival of easy-to-use application creation tools that do not involve coding, creating and selling mobile application is the 11th best way to make money online in Nigeria. Since it is a reasonable, simple venture to start, it is important that individuals not assume that any software will be immediately smashed just because they believe the concept will be effective. Creating appealing application requires both art and science. Making money online by developing mobile application is facilitated by the availability of several templates for that. Moving on to number 7, web development. Web development are in high demand and they are responsible for integrating new features, enhancing functionality, and even fixing errors. Hence, web development attracts once education platforms such as Codeka, Treehouse, Code Academy are perfect for learning the fundamentals of web development. Number 9, blogging to make money online in Nigeria. Now, How to make money online from blogging. Once you have a regular readership, there are several ways to make money on your website, including advertising, ebook, online courses, personal consulting services. Individuals who want to make money online, blogging should also they should provide for. Number 10, forex trading. Forex trading, which involves purchasing a currency when its price is low and selling it when the price increases, has leveraged a mechanism that helps the 18th bet in Nigeria. Forex is an acronym for foreign exchange markets, which is a massive market for exchanging and trading foreign currencies with daily turnover estimated to billions of dollars. Although forex trading is one of the finest methods to make money online, it is not for everyone since it includes a greater deal of misinformation and fallacies, including risk as consequences. Many individuals incur losses as a result of poor preparation. However, every million of naira people are earning millions of nairas every day through forex trading. Number 11, import cheap and resell. Importing and reselling, which comprises of Ali whatever selling on Jumia, Gigi. You can be making money from selling on all those websites. Number 12, graphic designing. If you know how to do graphic design, you can start doing it and be making money online. The graphic design is a very short period of time and utilize power. Number 13, drive with Uber or Bolt, any ride sharing, whatever. Make sure it's a great way to make money online in Nigeria. This is a very cool option, provided interested parties are reliable, live in urban cities. 13, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a life honored method of growing monthly revenue. 14, web design. If you don't have the skill, you should acquire the skill of designing web so that you can do and be making money from it. 15, freelance writing. Interested parties just need a mobile device and internet system, computer system, and also register to be a freelance writer. 15, TikTok marketing. That's the last one. TikTok marketing. So people, they say they make up to 1.3 million naira doing TikTok. Although I don't really know much about it, but the best way to make money online in Nigeria is via TikTok. Between 70,000, the greater personality, the higher the earning. The more you are popular, the more you will earn money. So I've just shared with you about 16 guaranteed ways to make money online in Nigeria, and it is super helpful. I know this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, leave a comment, and tell me what are your opinions or which business are you doing currently.